Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Upper Maker. First, ensure your software is installed correctly and your hardware, like a digitizer or scanner, is connected via a USB 3.0 port. Verify all drivers are up to date for optimal performance. You will need a stable internet connection for updates and access to online material libraries. Gather your basic design tools, such as a measuring tape and reference materials, before you begin your first project. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth workflow. Now, let's dive into the design phase. Begin by importing your last scan or choosing a standard last from the extensive library. Use the intuitive drawing tools to craft your pattern pieces, paying close attention to details like stitch lines and perforations. You can apply various material textures and colors to see your vision come to life. Remember to use the precise measurement tools to scale your design accurately, ensuring a perfect fit for your intended wearer. Experiment with different elements to achieve your desired aesthetic. With your design finalized, it's time to prepare it for production. Optimize your pattern layout to minimize material waste, which can save significant costs. Export your design in a widely compatible format like DXF or PDF, ensuring it's ready for your chosen manufacturing method, whether that's laser cutting or a CNC machine. Double-check that all pattern pieces are correctly nested and include essential annotations, such as a 2mm seam allowance. A thorough final review prevents costly errors during fabrication. Finally, we move to assembly and finishing. Carefully follow your pattern's instructions, paying close attention to the sequence of stitching and bonding. Use the right tools and techniques for joining various materials, whether it's a heavy-duty sewing machine or a specific adhesive. Conduct regular quality checks during assembly to ensure your upper is both durable and visually appealing. The finishing touches, like edge painting, burnishing, or adding decorative hardware, truly elevate your custom creation, bringing your design from concept to a tangible, high-quality product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.